manufacture and distribute active infrared and passive infrared protection, mainly for domestic but commercial and high-end as well. Our product portfolio is sold across the EMEA region by a distribution network. We have approved distributors that sell the product for us. We do offer sales support, design, training and technical support direct to the customers on behalf of our distributors as well. We do have a very strong domestic market, but also we have royal palaces, government, military, because they require reliable products and they want to cover perimeters.
We specialise in two different types of detection, passive infrared and active infrared. All of these products are designed for outside use. In South Africa, security is serious. So all of a sudden these become very, very important products. The companies that install these are monitor companies. If one of these goes off, it's armed response. So they need to know if this has gone off, there's a real reason for it. You actually have two detectors in here. First detector is throwing a horizontal curtain, 12 meters, 90 degrees. The second one is throwing a downward curtain, and I can vary that from 2 meters out to 12 meters. But to get an alarm, I have to activate this zone and this zone together. We have essentially a pet immune external detector. We like this idea so much that we double it. So now I have my 90 degrees here, but I have my 90 degrees here as well. So now I have 180 degrees, 12 meter dual zone pet immune. We also have the battery powered versions. You simply put a battery in there, take anybody's wireless door contact. You can then make this a universal product that will talk straight back to your panel. If I come onto your property and all of a sudden this has gone off, you know what? I'll go next door. This is a different style of detector. What you have here is you have a transmitter, you have a receiver, and anything that gets between the two will generate an alarm. So you have two transmitter points, two receiver points. This is perfect for running along the tops of walls or going along the side of your building. Then we go on to the bigger beams, which are the quad beams. These are designed to go across open territory. These will go up to 200 meters point to point. This has 4 detectors, and these 4 detectors basically create a lattice of 16 beams between a transmitter and a receiver. Now these are the types of devices that are specified into prisons, into military compounds, a lot of royal buildings. We then have variations of the same idea, all the way from something like this, which is a covert beam. So this is a 10 meter point-to-point beam. We recognize the need for a wireless solution. Using 2 batteries at each end, this will get you 5 years of use. Perfect for rapid deployment, perfect for temporary installations. We then came up with a version 2 years later. This is the only product that has that technology but battery powered. The other side of this product is the reflector beams. Now you either have internal reflector beams, so here you have a transmitter and a receiver, they talk to a mirror and come back. And then we have an external version, which again fires to the mirror and comes back. The next stage in this technology is the PR30. Now this is a 30 meter reflector beam, but rather than just using reflective technology, it's using time of flight. You tell it how far away the mirror is when you're setting it up. It measures the time it takes to get the beam to the mirror and to come back again. So it is impossible to introduce a new reflective surface and confuse the product.
Technology, it's proven time and time again. You can go right down to 1% obscurations and they'll still work. So if they're set up correctly and maintained correctly, they go on for years and years because they're so reliable.